Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma laid the foundation stone for a new Meghalaya house annex at Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam Road, New Delhi, in the presence of Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong and GAD Minister Sosthenes Sohtun. The annex will be constructed in two phases, with the first phase comprising 24 guest rooms and a meeting hall at an estimated cost of Rs 22 crore. The project will come up within the existing complex built in 1971. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister said the facility is aimed at better serving people from Meghalaya visiting New Delhi for official, medical, academic and other purposes. He stressed the need for high-quality construction, modern amenities, cultural representation and warm hospitality, adding that Meghalaya House should be the first choice for state residents in the national capital. The project is expected to enhance accommodation capacity and strengthen Meghalaya's presence in New Delhi.
Once we dismantle all of them, we even that one.
Two blocks. It's a D2 block and it's a D3 block. And the most thing is it is interconnected through the skywalks.
Give a round of applause.
I do take this opportunity because all the Meghalaya House staff people are here, that at the end of the day, infrastructure is only infrastructure. What makes this a Meghalaya House and what makes this a public space is ultimately the kind of service that we give to the people out here. So I cannot but reiterate and mention to all of you that whenever anybody who comes from our state, it is very important for each and every one of you to ensure that they feel at home. And that the new building cannot do. That a new car cannot do. That is only the human touch that you guys can give. So I do appeal to all of you that I hope that you will be reminded about this every time you see a person coming from our state to stay out here. And you can put yourself in their place and just imagine that a smile for a person who has never been to Delhi, because you're always in Delhi so you feel it's normal. But suddenly somebody comes from the village and is lost, but suddenly sees his or her own person smiling and saying, "Welcome to Meghalaya House, Delhi. I hope your journey was good. I hope you're okay. Don't worry, we are here to take care of you." Will make a world of difference to their mind. Even if the rooms are bad, they will feel at home because of the kindness that you have shown. So I do appeal to all of you that at the end of the day, every day when you get up in the morning, remind yourself why you are here, what you are doing here. When you remind yourself that, the irritation within you also will go away. And with all of these efforts, we are very hopeful that we will be having a very, very good infrastructure out here with adequate facilities, modern facilities and proper service, so that people, when they come from Meghalaya to be here in Delhi, this should be always their first choice, and we would not in the future have to look for any other space in any other facilities apart from the Meghalaya houses that we have in Delhi. So this is really what our objective is, and I'm very happy today that we have been able to lay the foundation stone for this. And I do urge the PWD department to ensure that the work is done in the best possible manner, and most importantly by the best people, so that this infrastructure comes out to be excellent, as well as the construction is done on time.